Welcome to Govinda class. Today we have Pranav with us to do the prayers and also he will sing Hare Krishna Mahamantra until Mataji comes in. Please go ahead, Pranav.
ज्ञानातिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमती भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिन् इति नामिने। हरे नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशधारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
Thank you, Pranav. Okay, who's there in the call today? Why nobody is switching on their videos these days? Just give me. Advait, you came back early from school today?
No, Mataji. I come at 3 o'clock and for us it's 4:17 right now.
Okay. So what were we discussing? What did Mataji say yesterday? Vrinda Mataji. Who knows? How many of you were
She
there?
talked how Bhishma Dev died.
Oh, Bhishma Dev died? Okay. How did Bhishma Dev die?
By his own will, when Krishna came after Yudhishthira became king.
Okay, let me share my screen.
Do you need to phone?
Yes, I need it. Okay. Sorry, yes. Okay. So you have seen Bhishmadev leaving his body, and then Yudhishthira Maharaj, who became the king now? Who was established as the king?
Yudhishthira.
Now, when Yudhishthira Maharaj was the king, the whole universe was flourishing very nicely. When the king is very pure, when the king is very pious, then the it says Dina Krishna. Okay. Then the whole place will flourish. Now that's why these days, if you see, the political leaders are not good. That is why they are saying, lot of problems in the state. So many things keep happening because the leaders are not pure. Just give me a minute. I want to change name. It's not coming rename. I don't know. That's okay. So now Yudhishthira Maharaj established. So let's see what is happening next. How many of you are fourth graders here? We are very less people.
I'm in 5th grade, so I'm in 6th grade. I'm in 7th.
Oh, 5th, 6th, 7th, third graders. Pranav.
I'm in 3rd grade.
Who is in 3rd grade? Pranav is in 3rd grade. Who else?
Mataji, this is Advait. I'm in 7th grade.
Advait, you're in which grade?
7th grade.
7th grade. You're a big boy.
3rd grade, Rishikesh.
Okay, so we have a 3rd grader, 6th grader, 7th grader. Very nice. Okay.
Mataji, I'm also in 7th grade.
Is this Tulasi Manjari?
Yes, Mataji.
Very good. So today we will be seeing 10th chapter, Krishna departure, like Krishna leaving to Dwaraka, and 10.8 till 10.14 we will see. Okay, till yesterday we have seen that Yudhishthir Maharaj is ruling and the whole universe, the whole planet is flourishing very nicely. There are nice rains, nice crop, there's no problem in the kingdom, like that. So now Krishna is leaving. Krishna stayed for some time, couple of months with his relatives, with the Pandavas, and now he wants to leave. So that's the starting. Who wants to say the shloka?
Mataji, can Tulasi say?
Mm-hmm.
Amantrya cha pyanujata parishvajyapi vadyatam arurodha ratham kaishchit parishvaktopi vaditaha. Thank you, Mataji.
Okay. Who wants to read the translation? Raise hands. Did somebody raise hands? Who wants to read? Rishikesh? Translation, please.
Okay. The
No. Afterwards.
Oh, afterwards, then the Lord asked permission to depart, and the King David, the Lord, offered his respects to Maharaja Yudhishthira by bowing down at his feet, and the king embraced him. After this, the Lord began embraced by others, and receiving their obeisances, got into his chariot.
Okay. So now see, the interesting point here is Krishna is leaving and he's bowing down to Yudhishthir Maharaj, and he hugs Bhima and Arjuna, and Nakul Sahadev will take blessings of Krishna because they are younger, they will take blessings, and Bhima and Arjuna are friends, they will hug each other. But because Yudhishthir Maharaj is elder, see how, if you remember 64 qualities of Krishna, then we have seen that Krishna is all respectful. Whenever he sees Yudhishthir Maharaj, he would bow down. See, Supreme Personality of Godhead, but still he's doing. Why is he doing that? Why do you think he's not minding to bow down and touch the feet of Yudhishthir? Who wants to answer?
Because Yudhishthira is his devotee.
Yeah. See, Krishna, that's what Prabhupada writes in the purport. The Lord takes pleasure when some of his devotees accept him as less important in terms of love. What that means, he doesn't like to see him as like very high, respectful, very important. He doesn't mind. If you see in Vrindavan, can you share some examples where Krishna, of course, all Vrindavan pastimes are like, it doesn't reveal like Krishna's supremacy, or it doesn't show that all the Leelas are like that. But can you think of anything where Krishna behaved like a very ordinary person?
Sudama.
That is in Dwaraka. I'm asking in Vrindavan.
Vrindavan? Oh.
Mhm. Yes. Vrindavan Leela, anything you can think of? Pranav, Mukund.
When Krishna and his friends were playing, he would carry Balaram.
What else?
When Krishna brought the Nandamara's sandals on his head.
Yes, very good. Yes, very good. What else?
When he massaged Balaram's feet when he was tired.
Yes. And Krishna was also sharing food, right? He's eating the juta of his friends. Yes or no? Will you eat your friends? If somebody gives, they'll bite and give you. How many of you will eat from your friends?
No.
Friends, you.
No.
No, right? Now, I know many mothers who doesn't want to eat their kids' juta. They don't like, because they think like it has a lot of germs. Krishna is eating, right? So that shows how simple Krishna is and how much he loves his devotees. Right? Today also in further purpose, Prabhupada explains the same about Krishna's devotees, how much they love Krishna. So you will see in the further shlokas. What happened? Okay, so this is the next shloka. Who wants to read? I think I will zoom it up. Wait.
And Ramachandra says,
Yes, Ramachandra, go ahead.
okay. Subhadra Draupadi Kunti Virata Tanayas Tata Gandhari Dhritarashtrascha Yutsur Gautamo Yamau Vrikodarascha Domyascha Striyo Matsya Sudadayah Na Nasihire Vimuhyanto Viraham Saranga Danvanaha.
Very good. Pranav, can you read the translation? Oh, yes, sir. Pranav.
Time Subhadra, Draupadi, Kunti, Uttara, Gandhari, Dhritarashtra, Yutsu, Kripacharya, Nakula, Sahadeva, Bhimasena, Daumya, and Satyavati all nearly fainted. It was impossible for them to bear separation from Lord Krishna.
See there, because Krishna is leaving, how many of us? Both of you. No, I'm going to call now. So, see, separation is very, very painful, right? I still remember when I was in college, I was there only with my mom and dad up until my 10th grade. So from my 11th grade, at least 11th and 12th, I was not at home, but I was in the same town. But during my undergraduation, I was out of the state. So every time I would leave and my parents would drop me at the railway station, when I come for vacation, they would feel so much. I used to feel I used to feel so sad, and my mom used to cry. My grandparents used to feel bad. So why? Because there's a lot of attachment, right? So and when the girls are getting married, I remember when I got married, my brother, my mother, my grandparents, everybody were crying because of separation. They will be thinking like, oh, we'll not be able to spend more time. So if it is like that for us, what to imagine about the devotees who have a lot of pure love? All the devotees of Krishna, they have lots and lots of pure and true love. So they almost fainted because they cannot bear separation. Can you share of any example of yours where you were not able to bear separation, or any incident that you came across?
Mataji, whenever I go to India, I always cry when I'm coming back.
You cry?
Yeah, I always cry when I'm coming back because I'm leaving my family and cousins.
Oh, you like India. That's very nice. See, he's feeling separation from his family and his cousins.
One time, my dad, we were gonna all go to India in the summer. So when it was summer, my dad went ahead of us. Like he went first to India, and when he was going, I was like crying so badly because because I always play with him in like the night. Like we literally play like some card games or something.
So you are missing your dad.
Mataji, just like that, sometimes my dad has work. So
I want to say.
Okay, Vrinda baby, I'll come. Let them finish, okay?
That's what I got seen about.
Go ahead.
Sometimes me and my mom, we go to India first because my dad has work still. So that time also I start crying because I'm leaving my dad.
Oh, very nice. You're all sweet children. Okay, Vrinda, you go ahead.
Okay, so I want to say that when I was small and when I went to PK, I was like crying, and then I missed my mom. And then the other one is when I was in the airport with my mom and with me and myself. Then my dad was going and then he was showing my thing change because he was buying my thing change. And then I say, hi daddy, and then I was crying so badly. that I came to India already. I was standing near my dad's picture and saying, "Daddy, Daddy, Daddy, Daddy."
Mataji, Mataji, the second instance, she's saying when we both going to India and my husband was not coming with me. So she was saying that she saw in the window that her dad is outside of the window and she's inside of the window, and she was crying there. That she was only just 18 months, but she recognized that she's leaving her dad. After going to India, also she was near the picture of my husband and crying that he's not there over there with her.
Daddy's baby. Okay. Thank you for sharing those experiences, Vrinda, Advait, and Ramachandra. Okay, so now they're saying that they're almost fainting. So now Prabhupada writes in the purport, he compares about when Krishna is leaving Vrindavan. We have discussed this many times. What is happening in the picture here? What is happening?
Krishna is leaving to Dwarka. Who is stealing Krishna?
No, Krishna is leaving to Mathura and all the gopis in Vrindavan.
Who is stealing Krishna? He's going to Madura, and all the gopis are don't want Krishna to go. Mataji, Akura is stealing Krishna.
Yes, see, Akrura is taking. Look, Akrura is here. So then you know what happened? You know, right? How sad the gopis were, and it was very difficult for Akrura to go because what happened? Akrura is going, and one chain of gopis are coming and stopping the chariot. Somehow they will go, and from another way somebody else will come. Again, somehow they will go another way, somebody else is coming. So it is always happening like that. It was very difficult for Akrura, in fact, to cross them and go. So the gopis were feeling terrible amount of separation. And we discussed this, I think, sometime, like they have been almost trying to stop the cart as much as they could see the cart. Many times we'll say bye up until the car. Every day my kids go to school and they'll be waving to me. So they'll be waving till they see me. Almost they go out of my vicinity, they'll be saying, waving their hand. Like that. Even the gopis here, they tried. And that's an entire, that separation mood of gopis is like a big discussion if we start. So Prabhupada is actually comparing how the gopis were feeling. Now, same, the Dwaraka, when he's leaving to Dwaraka, even in Hastinapur, everybody is feeling very sad because they love Krishna. Now, next shloka. Who wants to read? Tulsi Manjari got a chance. I think she got
No, Mataji.
a chance of Tulsi Manjari. Go ahead. Read the shloka.
Then, wait, the shloka? Or, okay. Satsangan mukta dusango hatum notsahate buddha kirtyamanam yasho yasya sakrita karnya rochanam.
Okay. Ojasvi, next shloka. Tasmin.
Yes, Mataji.
Don't get disturbed, you are eating.
Tasmin miyasta diyapata saheran viraham katam darshana sparsha samlapa shayana bhojanaihi.
You're not well, you have cold?
Yes, Mataji.
Why do you look at it, your mom? Okay, who wants to read the translation?
Can Ramachandra read the translation?
Who is that?
Can Ramachandra read?
Ramchandra got a chance. Is there any who is asking?
Mataji, can Mukund?
Go ahead, Mukund.
Okay, Mataji. The intelligent who have understood the Supreme Lord in association with pure devotees have become freed from bad materialistic association, can never be avoid hearing the glories of the Lord, even though they have heard them only once. How then could the Pandavas tolerate his separation? For they had been intimately associated with his person. seeing him face to face, touching him, conversing with him, and sleeping, sitting, and dining with him. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. I really like this translation because see, they're saying when we become intelligent and we understand the Supreme Lord's association, how will we understand? Through pure devotees, we will understand the Lord. Like there is Krishna, there is this devotion, this is the topmost bhakti. So that will give us intelligence and we will understand that. And since we understood that, we will be free from all the materialistic association, right? How many of us, if you ask your parents, they will tell like how we have eventually, gradually, and if you see last year, we were better now. Like myself, I started Krishna consciousness 11 years ago. If you see myself now, I have changed a lot. So, so they're saying they will get freed from the materialistic association, and they always want to hear only the glories of the Lord. Even though they have heard, they again and again want to hear about the Lord. Then how come Pandavas, they're always with Krishna, they are seeing him. We are just hearing about Krishna, but they were with Krishna, they were seeing him, they were touching him, they were playing with him, they're sleeping with him. Then how come they were able to tolerate this separation is what Prabhupada is writing in the translation. So in the purport, he writes beautifully. He says, how many of you agree that we are all doing some service as a student, as a housewife, as a software, or as a doctor, as somehow? How many of you agree that we are always
service to who? Krishna?
No, I'm saying like we are always in the, like in a survey, we are always serving something or someone. Do you agree?
I guess.
Yes, right? We are always serving. Either we serve our senses, we listen to our senses. Either we are serving our senses, or if your dad is working, he's serving the boss. Your mom is serving the family. You are serving, like, you're doing your service means you're always taking, you have a superior and you're always doing, right? Whatever he's saying, you're doing it, right? You have to listen to the teacher. You have so many things to take care, all of you. So you have your jobs, I have my job, your father has your, like, they have their own things. So we are all under something. We cannot say we are always directly or indirectly, knowingly or unknowingly, we are always accepting a serving position. We are always in that position. So Prabhupada says that is our constitutional position, service, doing some service, giving some, doing some service, doing some service is our constitutional position. That's why if you analyze our life, we are always serving. When you're baby, your mother is serving you. When you grow big, you will serve your parents. Your mom, your father is serving the family. So it's always something. If not this, we will serve our senses, right? So that's what Prabhupada says. And he says that there is no end to this. There is no, if you're serving your senses, you're doing a sense gratificatory business. Like you want to touch something, you want to eat something, you want to taste something, you want to hear something. It could be movie, you want to see a movie, you want to hear a movie, you want to do a video game, something. You're always under something. So Prabhupada is saying this is all sense gratificatory business, and you're entangled in that. If you're born, then you're entangled in your constitutional position of serving the superior. So how will you get out of this entanglement? Is there a hope of release from this entanglement? You're tangled. Is there a hope of getting released? Yes or no? Yes.
We try. Yeah.
Yes, there is a hope of release through, what is that hope? Devotees are our hope. Devotees only will give us that intelligence, that knowledge. When we come to the touch of devotees, when we come in touch of the devotees, then immediately we will start changing, we'll start developing intelligence. And Prabhupada writes this, once we know that we'll progress like a fire in a gunpowder. Like how the fire comes from the gunpowder, he says we will start progressing like that. And from then on, we will start remembering the form, quality, name, fame, and everything is attractive for us. Krishna's form, Krishna's name. And also, we will understand, we so much so that we'll forget all the mundane forms. See, if you check with your parents, so many would be worshipping Sai Baba, some would be worshipping Shiva. But now, after coming to Krishna consciousness, we forget everything. They remember it. They want to hear about Krishna. They want to remember about Krishna. See, what to talk about us, Lord Shiva. I know now if I start this story, most of you all will say, I know this, Mataji, I'm sure. How many of you heard the story of Pundanam? Oh, I think it's time already. Some of you must heard, right? If you know, please listen. So Pundanam, he's a great devotee, okay? In Guruvayur, in Kerala, there is a temple called Guruvayur, very, very famous temple. I know some of you must have been there. Pranav must be knowing because his mom is from Kerala, right, Pranav? So Guruvayur temple is very, very famous, and he is a devotee of Lord Guruvayur. Of Guruvayur. Guruvayurappa, they say. So one time there is a Shiva temple in North Kerala. There is Shiva temple, and he will start giving Bhagavatam classes for many, many days, this Pundanam. And as he is giving, everybody is relishing. And he is telling the pastime of Krishna teases Rukmini. In Srimad Bhagavatam, he is saying, narrating that. And every day he would narrate, his bookmark would be on the same page. And he was wondering, yesterday only I said this, again, how come the bookmark is here? Maybe I'm like, he was thinking, maybe I'm confused. And again, he would say from there only. So one day what happened, he forgot his Bhagavatam book. When he was going for the pravachan, he forgot the Bhagavatam book. And he went back to bring his Bhagavatam book. And then he was hearing somebody reciting these Bhagavatam verses. And he peeked in and he saw Lord Shiva reciting it to Parvati. And Parvati started saying, Parvati was relishing. And Shiva asked, how do you like it? Parvati says, I liked it, but it is not as great as Pundanam is reciting. Why? Because Pundanam is reciting with that feel. So Lord Shiva says, I know he has lot of devotion that he recites from his heart. That's why I want to hear again and again the same pastime. I'm keeping the bookmark every day on the same page. So it was Shiva who was changing the bookmark. So Lord Shiva himself want to hear the glories of the Lord or the pastimes of the Lord from his devotee Pundanam. So that is the greatness of Krishna's devotees. So why? Because they're always thinking about Krishna, either his name, either his form, or in any form. They're always in the thoughts of Krishna. They're not connected to anything mundane in this world. So that is thing. 13 who want to say? Shloka. Athar, did you raise your hand?
Yes, Mataji.
You want to try?
Yeah, I'll try.
Go ahead.
Sarvete
Nimisher
Akshesh Tam Anujuta Kadeshaha
Chetasa.
Vikshantaha Sneha Sambata
Vichelas. Good job. Who didn't get a chance to read the translation? Balram, go ahead. Karthik, next verse you will say, okay? Balram, go ahead.
All their hearts were melting for him on the part of attraction. They looked at him without blinking their eyes, and they moved either in
perplexity. So here they're saying their hearts were melting with the pot of attraction. We know Krishna is all attractive. We have seen the 64 qualities, right? That Krishna is all attractive, and Krishna's meaning is also all attractive. So he is all attractive. That's why they were looking at him without blinking their eyes. So Srila Prabhupada writes in the purport. I have give me a minute. So he writes here, so we want the pure devotees always wants association of the Lord, right? So this association of the Lord is made possible. Association means not just personal contact. So Srila Prabhupada is writing, it is made even with his name, with his fame or form or quality. So he's saying Srimad Bhagavatam trains the conditioned soul to this stage of perfection by submissive hearing from a pure devotee. So as the pure devotees are always attracted towards Krishna and they always want the association of Krishna, that association is not provided just physical association, but also we know that, right? Form and name are different. You have been hearing since the time you remember, right? So now we all know the holy name is very, very powerful. How many of us agree that? And how many of us agree holy name is non-different from Krishna? How many of us agree? I agree.
I agree.
Okay, right? So that's what so the devotees are always shedding tears for Krishna. What happened? 14 shloka. What happened? Just give me a minute. See, it's gone. I changed the color and okay. Anyways, so if you now I remember one past time here, what happened was once there was a grandfather and a grandchild. So the grandfather every day would nicely follow Krishna consciousness, like your parents, like nicely following Krishna consciousness, and this child wanted to imitate his grandfather. So he would also take bath, come sit Jagannath, quite. He would also sit and chant. He would do like whatever his grandfather was doing, he was imitating. Then what happened one day? He asked, I am chanting every day, I'm imitating you, but is this holy name really working? How does this holy name work? I don't understand. So the grandfather said, okay, can you please take this bag? He has a coal in a basket. And he said, okay. He removed the coal and he said, can you please take this basket and get water? So he quickly ran, tried to get some water. Is it possible to get water in a basket?
No, because there's a tiny, tiny hole.
Yes. So he was not able to bring. He will say, grandfather, it is very difficult to bring. He'll say, no, you didn't try. Just go and try once again. Again, he will bring. This time he said, it is not possible. I am not going to bring again. It's not possible. He will say like that. Grandfather will say, no, nothing is impossible. You're not trying properly. Try again. So just to please his grandfather, he will go for the third time. But he was very sure that he will not go. He will say, actually, in fact, he'll say, we need a bucket. We don't need a basket. Then grandfather will say, I said, I didn't want a bucket of water. I said, I want a basket of water. So just go and get basket of water. So again, to please his grandfather, he will go. So then what will happen? Now this time he will come and grandfather is very, very sad. Grandchild is very sad that he is not able to bring the water. So then what will happen? But now grandfather will say, just look at the basket. You are saying, he said, no, I'm not successful. I lost. I couldn't bring you water. Like that he will say. So finally what happened? Just give me a second. So what happened finally? The grandfather said, oh my God. He got hurt. So stop crying. Okay. So what happened was the grandfather says, look at the basket. And when he looks at the basket, he will see a lot of change in the basket. The basket was very shining. The basket was clean. The basket was neat. So he will say, grandfather, correct. Very true. The basket has become, it's not anymore dirty. With coal, it was very dirty. Now it is not dirty anymore. Like that he will say. So now the grandfather says, this is how the holy name works. As you chant, as you bathe in holy name, slowly, your heart will be cleansed. So that's how he explains the glories of holy name, how the holy name is changing the consciousness. So it is same with us. Who wants to read the 14? 14 shloka, please. Karthik, you wanted to read, right? 14.
Okay, Mataji. Do I need to say sloka?
Shloka, yes.
I don't know the sloka.
Okay, somebody else will read and you can read the translation, okay? Who wants to read it?
Mataji, can I say Mataji Balram?
Balram, just give me a second. I will see if there is anybody who didn't get Prahlad. Prahlad.
Yeah, okay, Mataji. Nyayondam Udakala Baspam Utakadya Devaki Sute Nirati Agaram no Disyad Bandavas Striya.
Karthik, read the translation.
The female relatives, whose eyes were flooded with tears out of anxiety for Krishna, came out of the places
No, came out of the palace.
of palace day.
Oh, what? See, I changed. Yeah, something happened. I'm so sorry. I remember this, but so what happened was the female relatives, females basically they're more emotional than the men. So they were flooding with tears. But they say, how many of you know that, when you're leaving and somebody is crying, they say it's inauspicious. Don't cry. When they're leaving for a good thing, why are you crying? It will not be successful. The task they're going for will not be. So it's like even in my home, they do that. Suppose any marriage or any good, like if we are going to study, like when my brother came here 17, 18 years ago, he came here to do master's. So those days it was like close to 20 years. So it was little difficult for my parents. And when my mother was crying, everybody would say, don't cry. He's going for a good thing. And why are you crying? It is inauspicious. Don't cry. Like that, they used to say. So like that, the ladies here, they're trying to stop their tears. They're like, no, we don't want Krishna, nothing, like, they wanted all auspiciousness to happen. So they were hiding their tears, but they were crying, they couldn't tolerate that Krishna is leaving. They're mixed emotions. They don't want to cry, but the crying is not stopping. So it's happening like that. And Prabhupada writes in the purport that some of the ladies, they didn't see Krishna. They just heard about Krishna. Some of these ladies were the wives of the soldiers that were killed in Kurukshetra. So they never heard about Krishna. They never saw Krishna, but they heard and they developed attraction. So that is the power of hearing from a pure devotee. When you hear from a pure devotee, if you see Rukmini also, right? You can think of Rukmini, she heard from Narada Muni and then she got attracted. So many like that. Just by hearing, Sukadeva Goswami was hearing about Krishna from his, we know that story I have said a couple of times, where Sukadeva Goswami himself got attracted to the names of Krishna. So lastly, one story about pure devotees of Krishna. One time Arjuna visits Dwaraka. Okay. And when Arjuna visits Dwaraka, what happened was, he was resting because he traveled and he was resting. And Rukmini said to Krishna that the food is ready. Prashadam is ready. Please come and honor it. Krishna says, we have a guest. How can I eat without, serving the guest? So first let guest eat. And then Rukmini will go to wake up Arjuna. And Arjuna was sleeping, and in sleep also he was calling Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Like Rukmini could feel that every pore in his body is saying the name of Krishna. Then she's like, what to do? So then Narada Muni will come. Narada Muni will just like that come, right? So he just comes, and when he sees this, he goes very ecstatic and he will take his veena and he will start saying Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Then Satyabhama will come. Then seeing that, Satyabhama also will feel so ecstatic. And then finally Krishna only will come. Satyabhama calls Krishna for food, but he will say the same thing. So she comes to Arjuna and she sees this. Now Krishna only will come. And when Krishna sees, he will start he will start, sitting at the foot of Arjuna, and he will start massaging Arjuna's feet. And Arjuna will like wake up suddenly. Oh Lord, what are you doing? Then Krishna will say, it's okay. You're very tired. Let me do it. So the point I'm saying is, the pure devotee of the Lord always says about Krishna, and Krishna is always thinking about his pure devotees. So Krishna is searching for his pure devotees, and his pure devotees are searching for Krishna. So it's always happening like that. So always we should hear submissively. That's what these purports are saying. Submissively from a pure devotee of Krishna, then we will get intelligent. Then we will start becoming more and more Krishna consciousness. Then we will get relieved from this mundane platform, and then we will start developing that attraction what his pure devotees have towards Krishna. So basically, this is the points Prabhupada mainly was mentioning in the purport. So we have any doubts, any comments? You want to share something? Okay. So today we will do one small, very small craft. It's not because we were saying Krishna is searching for his devotees, and his devotees are searching for Krishna. I thought, what do we call that? We call it as a lens, right? Not binoculars. Jagannath, what do we call that, Jagannath?
What?
It's a lens, right? You have to zoom and see. What do you see? What do you say the type? How come I forgot that name?
What? A telescope? Glass?
No, not a telescope. You'll hold with the hand and you.
Microscope.
No.
Magnifying glass.
See? Oh my. See,
Magnifying.
Oh, magnifying glass.
Correct. So magnifying glass, what does it do? With magnifying glass, you can search for words, right? Yes or no? You can magnify and see, zoom and see. You can search more clearly, right? Yes or no?
Yes, Auntie.
Yeah.
So we will do. We'll just what I'm saying is, you get a popsicle stick or a cardboard, and just with this cardboard, Dina Krishna, he was cutting heart shape, but you can just cut from the cardboard around. Okay, we will do it together. Can you get a popsicle stick, or if you don't have popsicle stick, you can use it from the cardboard only. Dina Krishna, go get glue. We'll show Anna. So basically, what we are doing is, you see, I just have a heart shape lens now. We can do round also, like we'll do like this. And how the magnifying glass have, we don't have glass, right? So I have this polythene, this strip. We are going to stick it at the back like a glass. You see? Like that.
Mataji, why are we making a magnifying glass?
Wait, what is that glass? What is that glass? It's like, I don't big called that glass you're using.
No, first one who asked, I think Suraj asked, why are we doing? Because in the last, how did we conclude? We concluded pure devotees are always searching for Krishna, or always looking for Krishna, and Krishna is always looking for he was always searching for his devotees. So if we do this, that's why I said we'll do this magnifying glass, so that the theme is God searches for devotees and devotees searches for God. I have seen this craft in, it's not mine. I have seen this craft in one of my neighbor. They do this Sunday school in church also. So they made the kids do this.
Okay, but I have a question. What is that
Making.
Amma, yes, Advait, ask. Just go get glue. I want to show them clearly. Go get the glue.
what is that? What is this for? What kind of glass that glass? Slide box.
Huh?
What's the glass called which you're using?
Can somebody say what he's asking? I don't know. I'm not able to hear.
No, Mataji, like on the magnifying glass, what did you put?
Oh, I just got a Ziploc, like a paper. See this sheet.
Oh, wait, what is that sheet?
No, I cut a Ziploc.
Oh, Ziploc.
And you can write here, God searches for his devotees, devotees search for God. I'll go get my glue also. Just meanwhile, we'll get ready.
Mataji, instead of using cardboard, can I use
Yes,
plastic?
I'm coming. If we get wrong, we can do it again. You might erase everything. There's no more space anymore. You can erase just that.
Cardboard in a heart shape. You could make a heart.
Please. 7. I don't know where. Which place? -6 equals what? So we want to know.
Hare Krishna. Where is Mataji?
Mataji, I am there.
Okay. I just went away from the laptop and I couldn't see you. That's fine.
No, I was asking the kids to get a cardboard.
What kind of shape
You can cut a circle, magnifying lenses and circle shape. You can cut circle. I was just thinking.
Oh, okay.
What if we don't have cardboard?
You don't have cardboard? Any cereal box?
You were behind me, but anyway, Mama, we're making a hat magnifying glass. Yeah, Mataji is making a hat magnifying glass. Okay, you take a piece of cardboard and you take a piece of the
I took a
plastic
cardboard.
and
Now
then
I'm
you
cutting a circle.
put cardboard.
Okay.
The thin cardboard.
Suraj,
Yeah, thin
Suraj,
Suraj, can you mute?
or a piece of tape. So I need some. You are muted.
Okay, see. Now I'm drawing circle with you. I'm going to cut this and I'm going to keep a hole in the center. Okay, and then I'm going to stick it to this. Krishna, Krishna, hey, don't come. I have knife. Don't come. Please be careful when you're using knife or scissors. Be very careful. If you can't manage.
Yeah, Mataji, how do you cut the hole in the middle of the knife?
I can manage with knife, so I'm cutting. If you can't, please call your parents.
Mataji, instead of cardboard,
Vrinda, 1 minute. Vrinda, Mukund has a question. Just 1 minute. Okay, na? Mukund, go ahead.
instead of using cardboard, can we use hard flashcards?
Yes. Hard flashcard, foam sheet, anything. Foam sheet is also fine. You can cut it. Foam sheet is more easy. Yes, Vrinda, you could ask. Go ahead.
Okay, Mataji, I want to show you how to
Mataji, she's asking, can she use this card this time?
What card, Nana? It's not clear. Show carefully. Huh? Okay, use it.
Okay.
Jagannath, on the top there is a gray box, right? It is a liquid glue. Go bring it.
Mataji, can I make the shape square?
See, I cut it now and I'm going to make a hole in the center. If you don't have popsicle stick, you can use that the same box to cut like a stick.
Wait, Mataji, can I see what you did?
Yeah, you can see. I just took circle now. I put in the center and I'm going to cut this part now because I want to stick this like a glass from behind.
Oh, okay. So we make another circle inside the circle that we cut?
Yes, I'm going to cut it now. But be careful, please. When you're cutting, be careful.
Wait, Mataji, do you
I have a trick to cut the middle. You can using cardboard. You can
In the
just
side.
poke a hole in the center and then push the scissors.
Why is everyone forgetting to mute themselves today?
Paper and you can cut it anything.
Yeah, if you have an idea, just show and tell us.
How do you glue the Ziploc paper?
Yeah, Ziploc paper, you just cut it a little bit, or you can use a cling film also.
You glue it. If you glue it in the cardboard, on the cardboard?
Yeah, on the cardboard.
Okay.
I'm showing it. And on one side, we will write God searches for his devotees. And I'll show you. Oh, see, I did it.
Wait, how do we cut in the middle part?
Oh, middle part, I think is with the scissor. I use knife. Ramchandra, can you go ask your mama to cut it for you in the center? You don't do it, please. All the kids. All the kids. I think in the center. చెప్తాను ఉండమ్మా చెప్తాను కృష్ణ ఒక్క నిమిషం నువ్వు అట్లా టెన్షన్ అవ్వదు నువ్వు హార్ట్ కట్ చేసావు అది చిన్నదిగా ఉంది కొంచెం పెద్దదైతే అన్నోళ్ళకి కనపడుతుంది వెయిట్ నాన్న ఉండు If you think the popsicle stick is very thin, you can use the cardboard itself like a stick.
Right. The thing. Where do you write the God search?
Right here. God searches for his devotees. Devotees search for God.
Oh, like.
Okay. Oh, the popsicle తిన్నగా ఉంది మంది దీని మీద స్టిక్ చేద్దాం wait.
Mataji, I have very small space, so can I write God's Krishna search devotee, devotee search Krishna?
Yes. అట్లా వస్తున్నానా రావట్లేదు ఉండు I have to open the lid.
But wouldn't God search devotee be smaller?
What Advait?
He used the properties. Mukund said that he doesn't have that much space, so instead of God, he said he'll put Krishna. But wouldn't God be less space?
Oh, less space.
Where should I glue?
No, I'll just write KRSNA. I mean, I have enough space to write KRSNA. Because I just don't want to.
ఉండు దీన కృష్ణ నువ్వు ఎందుకంత టెన్షన్ అవుతున్నావు
అవును కృష్ణ Who's saying that?
Advait Laun. Is it Advait? Who said that?
Yeah, Majiri was Advait. Why did you just say that?
Yeah, why he should not say that? He's older than you, he can tell you.
Because I understand you.
He understands that you're getting excited. సరే అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి క్లింగ్ ఫిలిం తీసుకురాపో అన్నాలు చూద్దాం నీకు తెలుసు కదా క్లింగ్ ఫిలిం నీ లంచ్ పచ్చి చేస్తాను కదా తీసుకురాపో ఓకే ఇంకో టైం లేదు దట్ క్లింగ్ ఫిలిం నాన్న ఓకే ఐల్ గో గెట్ ఇట్ యూ స్టే హియర్
Hello. Can you take me?
దీనికృష్ణ
Mataji, this is Govinda. We already made our circle, so what should we write?
You have to write God searches for devotees and devotees search for God.
So after making like this, what do we do, Mataji? After the this, what shall I do?
See like this.
Okay, I just need to put a stick. Okay, Mataji, I'll do that.
Should I get the scissors?
No, scissor వద్దమ్మా scissor. కలర్ ఉంటే ఇంకా బాగుంటది కానీ మనకు టైం లేదు కదా నువ్వు కలర్ వేసుకో తర్వాత See, as I am telling, all these crafts we try to do related to the topic so that you will always remember. These are not very fancy, but just for our remembrance.
Mataji,
Amma.
so I'm using a cereal box. I'm using
Mama is done making the circle. I just need to put like the strip attached to it.
Okay, Nana. Okay, Suraj.
Mataji, so I'm using a cereal box, So I can't put like words on both sides.
Why? The back
Because-
side is good.
One side is brown, and the other side like has like blue and like other colors.
Why didn't you keep? See, mine also the same. I kept this is the color side black. Like this, mine looks like this. So I can write here. Maybe you stick the opposite side.
Okay.
Mataji, can you look at mine?
I'm looking.
One-
Just give me a second, Mukund. I'm coming. Okay, give me just a second. I'm trying to dry mine. If this doesn't come properly, then Krishna will start. Okay. Yes, Mukund, go ahead. Show me. You can do it more nicely. Put color. Put decorate it nicely. I know Karthik. Karthik is doing it. This Mama, he will do it very nicely. All of you also. If you have energy, if you have patience, you can decorate it. See, I finished mine and I'm going to write. Mukund, show me. You were about to show, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Krishna, can you get a marker, please? Where is Mukund? ఏదో ఒక కలర్ తీసుకురా. Mukund is done. Very nice. Let me spotlight you.
Mataji, I didn't put like
Why?
because
See, when you put it's more nicely. Put it no, quickly.
okay.
Let's do it. Let's do it completely.
Mataji, what are you making?
What are we making? Who is asking now? Who is that?
Me, Krishnana.
Krishnayana. We are making we already made. We made a small magnifying lens craft. The theme is God searches for his devotees and his devotees will search for God.
Oh, that's a clear wrap, Mataji.
I put a cling film. Instead of Ziploc, I put a cling film.
Okay. Ziploc or a clear wrap. Okay, Mataji, got it.
Go. నాకు మార్కర్ తెచ్చివమ్మా అన్ని మార్కర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా తెచ్చి ఒకటి ఒక కలర్ తెచ్చిపో.
What is sling?
I totally forgot I had clear wrap.
Cling film.
That's so much of it.
What is cling, Mataji? What you just used?
This one. I just use this so that it clings. The one we use.
I want to see if I have.
This one. Mukund is also.
I want to.
Right. God, you write. No write. God. God searches SEARC searches for
Someone's doing Khan Academy right now.
Jagannath. For his దీని మొత్తం అట్లా రాసేసావు ఇంకో ట్రై ఇంకా God searches for his devotees. వేసేది మొత్తం ఇదే రాసేసావు సరేలే కానీ ఇట్స్ ఓకే. God searches for his devotees. I wanted to write devotees search for God. Okay.
Are we done?
Yes, show to Anna. You could have put some color kada Dina Krishna.
Can you draw a color now?
ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా వేస్తావు మార్కర్ వేసేసావు కదా తీసుకురా ఏదన్నా క్రేయాన్ తీసుకురా ఇదిగో ఎల్లో కలర్
Orange color. I'll wait for the orange. Look, we'll do orange for here.
ఆరెంజ్ వే ఎల్లో కనపడట్లేదు I think we have one last minute. Suraj, today your mom made very nice vegetable biryani. Did you eat nicely? I saw in the kitchen group. Do you like it?
Biryani, Mataji and me are in one group where we share our offerings.
It was like as if like I want to eat it from the plate itself, but I could not eat it. I'm so sad that I could not eat that.
Okay,
You're so lucky.
let's scale quick.
Okay, I don't know where the scale is.
You're very lucky, Suraj. You got it.
I'll get a different kind of marker. Oh, that's not working. We'll get it. We'll get
Crayon
it.
this cup.
Thank you, Nanu.
I think its time is up. Just one. Mataji, can I borrow? Is Vrinda Mataji already there?
No, Mataji, we are cancelling Vaishnava Bhajan from now. Because less strength, very less strength. So that's why we will be opening later when children are with school. Because of the schools, I think less
That's why
strength.
Vinita Gandharvika Mataji was not saying. Otherwise, from 8:10 she will say, Mataji, we have 5 more minutes.
I'm so sorry, Mataji. I have to follow the timings of Bhakti Sangha. I
No,
am
that's
no
good.
person.
No, that's good. No, you have to follow. I'm just joking. That's what I was wondering today. Why she's not. అన్ని బ్యాగ్ స్కూల్ బ్యాగ్ ఉంటాయి తీసుకొచ్చు అన్ని గ్రే బ్యాగ్
Mataji, what do we write again? What do we write again in the
devotees search for Krishna and Krishna searches for devotees.
Okay, thank you, Mataji.
90 degrees, 80 degrees, 100 degrees, a million degrees. Plus Fahrenheit. Celsius.
రెడ్ కనపడదు రెడ్ లా రాసావు కదా వద్దు ఇంకొద్ది కుదిరేసి ఎందుకంటే రెడ్ కనపడదు how many of you are done how much maybe we'll end in 2 minutes.
Look, it's different kind of red. So can I color? See, you can still see he's in a blue light there.
Mataji, where are you coloring, Mataji?
It's because it's brown plain cardboard. Dina Krishna wants to color. See, he's putting colors.
Oh, got it.
Akade. Actually, I didn't know time was there. Otherwise, I wanted to ask them to stick a color paper on the cardboard and then cut it. I thought it was time consuming. I should finish in 15 minutes. Okay, from next Wednesday, we can plan that. But you all have school, so if it's too late also, it's not good for you. Okay. Anybody wants to show?
This is mine.
Advait, Prahlad, Kushi, Ojasvi, Athar, Karthik, Ramachandra, Balavrinda, Suraj. Mukund already is done. Thank you, Mukund. It looks good. Very nice. It looks really neat and nice. Good.
Oh, I was showing opposite.
I'm still doing it, Mataji.
Okay.
See, we will close the call here and you can finish in the home because we want to don't put longer time class so that you get tired and tomorrow, you should not feel that it is long time class.
Yeah,
That's why
that's what
I guess most of you are finished, right? Whatever stage you are.
This is
Please post.
Kartik.
Oh, Kartik is showing.
Okay, let me just spotlight you. Oh, you made it heart shape.
Where? I don't see him. Oh, can we spot? Very nice. Very beautiful.
You always come with the creative ideas, Kartik.
Yeah, first
really love it.
I also made heart shapes. See?
We can also make that
Different color
also.
in the back.
Very nice. Good job. Good job. Post it in the group. Post in the group so that Mataji can post on Facebook. Okay?
Okay.
So that
Okay,
other people will get inspired from us and they will also do this kind of activities.
Yeah, see, somebody posted this. That's why I could find it, right? Like that, if we post, somebody else will find it. Okay, show. They already saw yours.
One person did it and then so many other people did it.
Yeah, see? Okay. My Dina Krishna is showing his. Good job, right?
Very beautiful. Where is that, Mataji? Can you show? I didn't see. I was doing something else. Oh, very beautiful, Dina Krishna. So now, if everybody is done, we will end the call here. And please, everybody post it in the group. Okay, we all did it in the classroom, right?
Still doing and I'm almost done.
But how will you
Okay,
write
you
on
send
it? Huh?
you send it in the group, Suraj. We will see from there. Okay.
You're putting the plastic when you did not write it. Mataji, show.
Wow. Yeah. Yes, you write it, but don't forget. You are forgetting to send it. Ask Amma to post it.
Okay.
So Suraj, you have to write also, no? Then you, after sticking, how will you write?
He will figure out, Mataji. He'll figure out.
Mama, could you put a tape here?
Okay, can we end the call then?
Yes, Mataji. Vancha kalpatarobhyasya
Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo
Prabhupada ki jai. Govinda ki jai.
Jai.
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you for the class.
Thank you, Mataji.
Mataji, Hare Krishna.
See you all next week. Hare Krishna.
Mataji, bye.
Bye bye.